How to buy beer brewing equipment in China. Now many foreign customers are planning to buy Chinese brewing equipment because of the price. 40% to 60% price difference compared to equipment made in the US or Europe. Tiantai Equipment is a professional beer brewing equipment manufacturer in China. Here are the instructions for you to buy Chinese brewing equipment. 1. Research and consult Chinese manufacturers. If you plan to buy Chinese brewing equipment, beer equipment manufacturers can be shortlisted through an online search. Then by contacting the brewing equipment manufacturer of your choice. After establishing a connection, ask them for some equipment videos, pictures, and customer stories. This also helps to further narrow the selection of beer equipment manufacturers. 2. Discuss your project plan. You need to discuss your brewing project with your favorite equipment manufacturer. A good beer equipment manufacturer will provide the following related questions. For example, how much beer do you plan to brew per month or year? What is your overall budget for the project? How big is your brewery space? These questions are for new brewery installations and brewery upgrades. 3. Brewery equipment list and layout. When you agree with a solution from a beer equipment manufacturer, they will provide you with a complete list of equipment so that both parties can agree on the list. Understand the layout of the building and determine basic equipment placement to ensure good workflow and reduce brewery operating costs. 4. Determine the delivery time. Once the order is placed, it usually takes 2 to 4 months for the equipment to be completed and shipped to the site. Chinese equipment manufacturers will start manufacturing equipment according to the agreed specifications and will keep you informed of the progress of the project. 5. Brewery equipment shipment and commissioning. Check the condition of brewery equipment before it ships. Ensure that the quality of the equipment produced by the manufacturer meets the expected requirements. The next step is to transport the brewery to the designated installation site. During this period, the building configuration needs to be completed to facilitate the installation of the equipment. 6. Installation of beer equipment. Installation of equipment may take up to 2 weeks when both parties agree. After installation through complex equipment, it is necessary to enter the commissioning stage. After everyone is satisfied with the installation, the manufacturer will assist the customer to develop a new system together. Understand the workflow and brewing process and will answer any specific questions you may have. 7. After-sales service. After-sales service is one of the important components to consider when choosing a beer equipment manufacturer. When your device encounters problems in subsequent production, you can still contact the device manufacturer. Help you solve any problems and questions about the device and ensure that you can use it normally.